Good evening. Welcome to the train layout. We have the Santa Fe Super Chief getting ready to leave, and we have some other trains running. I made the executive decision to take down the 5th level. I just thought it was making things a bit cluttered, so we decommissioned that today. And we're going to have just the tunnels here that will eventually connect to the mountain. And we're going to get material together to make the mountain come across the tunnels and everything. So we have that going on. And I have some other things to show you. So we have some new crossing signals over here on the Snow Village tracks. Hopefully you can see those. Here comes the Illinois Central Freight Train. And then we also have over here at the Snow Village, we have an ice skating rink here, and we have people skating around. Here comes the train. Have a train of cabooses. Cabooses are important, you know. Yep, we're going to extend the mountain over to here with the snow and all that, so it's all coming together. And then something else I'll show you that's new. My design team, Mary Margaret and Miss Pat, her sister, they have been working on the pavement over here in town. So they're using, I believe they're floor tiles for the pavement for the streets and stuff here. And that's turning out quite nicely. There's another area that I'll show you where we have that. So we have pavement over here that the ladies have put together. Here comes the passenger train. So we have the pavement here at the station. It's lovely. Added some nice realism, hopefully. And I've got some more grass along the tracks over here too, so that the grass is almost finished. They have a few more sections of that to do. So it's coming together. And the freight train is on its way, so you'll get to see it coming. Unless the passenger train gets here first. It'll be a toss-up. Up here comes the passenger train. There we go. Here in the Great Hall of Union Station, we have some Halloween things going on, and you'll see more of that as everything is finished. Another big improvement, the front and back doors of the station. We worked today on getting the bottoms of the doors a little more secure to keep the critters and the weather out. Thanks to Mr. Leonard Wather, who came and helped with that today, as well as Mary Margaret and Miss Pat. And we have new locks on the doors. We had the locks changed on everything, and making things a little more secure. So we've got it going on here.